A rebate on an invoice reduces the amount a patient needs to pay, making healthcare services more affordable. This cost reduction is often applied when there are two schemes involved, such as in inpatient cases, where one insurance covers specific charges, for instance bed fee, and a secondary scheme, often the default, covers the remaining balance. The rebate ensures that costs are split accurately between the schemes, benefiting the patient by reducing their financial burden. To apply a rebate on an invoice, follow the following steps. Click on the Queue button as shown. In the next window, the My Room option indicates patients queued to your room, while the All option displays patients queued to all rooms. Select the patient for whom you wish to receive a deposit by double-clicking their name. You will be redirected to the billing window, where the patient's demographic details will be displayed. This ensures accurate patient selection, prevents billing errors, supports personalized service, and provides quick access to essential information for efficient management. To record rebates, follow the following steps. Click on the Actions button and select Partial Covers. In the next window, fill in all the required fields. From the drop-down, select the Partial Cover Scheme, which is a secondary insurance plan or funding source that covers only part of a patient's total bill, leaving the remaining balance to be paid by another party, typically the patient or a primary insurance scheme, and input the split amount, which is the portion of the total bill that is covered by the secondary insurance in a partial cover scheme. And finally, check as a rebate and click on the plus button to save. To apply the rebate on the invoice, close your current window. In the billing window, go to the Bill Items View section and select the bill items, which will display the total amount due. Next, choose the credit sale from the type of sale in the drop-down menu. Then click on the Create Invoice button. And the subsequent window, enter the claim ID, which links the invoice to a specific insurance claim, facilitating smoother communication with insurance providers and aiding in the claims process. Click on the Add button against the Partial Cover field to add the partial cover created earlier. On the window pop-up, select the partial cover from the drop-down as shown and click on Select button to save. Close your current window. Then click on Save to generate the invoice. Two invoices will be generated. One for the primary customer scheme, which is the default scheme. This invoice is issued to the primary insurance scheme, detailing the portion of the charges it covers. And another one will be for the secondary customer scheme, covering part of the cost, which is issued to the secondary insurance scheme, reflecting the split amount it is responsible for paying. This helps to maintain clear records of each insurer's contribution, simplifies payment tracking, and ensures accurate reconciliation. This method also facilitates efficient claims processing and reduces the potential for billing errors. You can choose to view any invoice you wish by selecting it as shown, then click on the Actions tab on the menu list, select View Selected Invoice. Once the invoice report is displayed, you can perform the following. You can share the invoice via email, download in various available formats, or print it directly from the browser.